So the Federal Reserve just cut interest rates, but it didn't cut interest in trademarks. I'm Mike Steger. I'm a trademark and copyright attorney, and I'm going to talk a bit today about a recent development in trademark law. You may have seen this. It's been in the news. An indigenous tribe in Colombia is challenging the trademark registration for Coca-Cola in Colombia on the grounds that Coca-Cola has sort of bullied anyone who's using the word cocoa in their business in Colombia. And coca is it's used to make an ingredient, Coca-Cola, ingredient for a lot of other things, primary ingredient in cocaine, from the coca plant, a bunch of different things. But there's an indigenous business, part of an alliance, saying that Coca-Cola's actions in Colombia have been unfair. All right, you're not in Colombia. What does this dispute mean for you here in the good old US of A? Well, not much, because as I've discussed in other videos, trademark registrations operate on a country-by-country basis. Just because someone has a trademark in the United States doesn't mean they have any rights to use that trademark in, for example, Colombia. And if Coca-Cola's registrations in Colombia are somehow canceled or limited, that's going to have no impact on their ability to use their trademarks in the United States. This has happened with other very prominent brands. There have been localized disputes. There was a long-running, decades-long feud between Anheuser-Busch and a brewery in Czechoslovakia over the Budweiser trademark, which translated into a Czech word that had been used for centuries by a brewer there. So, bottom line, if you have any questions about your trademark in the United States, if you have questions about a trademark overseas, where it applies, what kind of rights you have, give me a call. Mike Steger, trademark and copyright attorney. Glad to talk with you.